Personalization in marketing doesn't just boost engagement, it influences buying decisions and drives sales and loyalty. 91% of consumers say they're more likely to buy from brands that provide relevant offers and recommendations. So, in this lesson, we're going to explore why personalization is critical, how personalization works, and how to implement it effectively. By the end, you'll have the tools to create experiences that deeply resonate with your audience and deliver measurable results. Why personalization matters. Personalization isn't just a nice to have, it's a competitive advantage. 73% of customers expect personalized experiences, but fewer than 40% of brands say they're good at delivering them. When done right, personalization increases engagement and conversions, builds stronger loyalty, and differentiates your brand. Some examples. Netflix and Spotify recommend content based on preferences, making their platforms addictive. 3 levels of personalization. Basic personalization. An example would be using someone's name in an email or showing recently viewed items. Segmented personalization. An example would be grouping audiences by traits like demographics or preferences, like targeting fitness enthusiasts versus business professionals. Finally, advanced personalization. An example of that would be AI-driven one-to-one experiences with dynamic content and real-time product recommendations. Start with data. The foundation of personalization is the right data, collected and used ethically. Demographic data, so age, gender, or location. Behavioral data, website, app, or email interactions. And transactional data, purchase history, cart abandonment. Finally, contextual data, time of day, device, or location. A pro tip, be transparent about how you collect and use data, and comply with privacy regulations to build trust. Avoid common personalization pitfalls. Over-personalization, avoid being intrusive, balance helpfulness with privacy. Silo data, ensure all departments have access to a unified view of the customer. Ignoring context. Tailor content to where customers are in their journey. Lack of testing. Use A/B testing to refine your strategy over time. Your next steps. Assess your current capabilities. What data do you have? What tools are you using? What level of personalization are you delivering? Choose one area to improve. For example, implement segmented email campaigns or a recommendation engine. Start small. Small incremental improvements can lead to big results. Final thoughts. Personalization isn't just a trend, it is the future of marketing. As customer expectations evolve, so will your opportunities to create meaningful experiences. So start today. Your customers are waiting.